Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Architectural Plan. In the last sessions, we have seen how to create and start an architectural plan by creating axes, assigning it names, creating walls, adding windows, doors, and then furniture. The next step is to assign a layer to each and every individual part. We have used a specific layer to create windows, walls, and doors. But for furniture, we must assign a specific layer. Once we assign a layer, we can manipulate it in different ways, like turning on or off any specific layer. We can freeze or lock the layers too. In the last few sessions, you might have observed when I was showing a different approach inside the complete architectural plan, I removed few layers in order to get a clear, nice, and a very fine view so that the viewer could apprehend it in a better way. Sometimes there is a demand that the person wants to see architectural plan without furniture. So the best way could be simply turning off the layer for furniture. But it is only possible if it has already been assigned a specific layer. Otherwise, one has to remove each furniture part one by one, which is completely inappropriate and not recommended at all. So, this was all about this session. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.